What's going on, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. So we got a really bitchin' episode again for y'all today. Getting ready to head on over to the Trucks Gone Wild, freaking truck tugs at the barn in Sanford, Florida. Oh, brother. Oh, Killin, it's not going to be there, but don't you worry. Freaking Team Killin, it's going to be there. Bringing the mad scientist, freaking Prochargers LS motor, 2017 GMC new body style, freaking single cab, ripping, boost throwing, freaking tire screaming machine. So as always, make sure you hit the like button at the bottom of the screen, hit the subscribe button down there in my channel name. That way you'll get notified anytime I upload any other videos, like more of them super bitchin' Killin' resurrection videos. Y'all ain't been keeping up with those? Y'all don't know what you're missing. We're taking my blowed up ass Killin' mega truck, putting a really bitchin' engine in that thing. Friggin' SoCal diesel, fully built, drag racing diesel engine. Oh yeah, twin fucking turbskis. Twin turbskis, not one, but those turbskis. Oh, brother, thing's gonna be real motherfucking deal. We literally did everything under the sun with that thing. Freaking rod, pistons, crank, head studs. Oh, brother, thing. Woo! It's gonna be a freaking heavenly rhythm when that thing fires up. So make sure you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any of them videos either, because the next one, putting that freaking engine right in the Killin' mega truck, letting you know. We're gonna head on over to the Mad Scientist home laboratory where he's got his mega truck already loaded up with his super bitchin' camping rig. Gonna head on over to Sanford, Florida from that point and freaking watch some tires. Just like that. I don't know if we're going to get nitrous right in there. We're going to get some diesel smoke flying in there. Get some freaking red glowing headers. Get some freaking tire spinning. Oh, God, it's going to be a great freaking episode. So let's go ahead and get this freaking dry part out of the way. Get on over to the Mad Scientist's house. And it's freaking go time, y'all. Mad Scientist has such a bitchin' rig, doesn't he? Mega truck and the motor on the way till y'all see what he's got in store for both of these things. Oh, brother. Not gonna let the cat out of the bag. We're gonna announce that one together. But I think we're ready to go rip JH backwards. Get us some free picklebacks, y'all. It's freaking party time. Hey, Dad, are we there yet? How much longer?
62 hours.
62 hours?
An hour and 40 seconds.
How many miles?
97 miles.
97 miles. I feel like you're making numbers up. Go time, Brian. Yeah, he's in super driving mode. Pumped up, dude. Come on, a little bit. Just a little bit. Nothing. Now, a quick little sign of the waiver and a little security check. Thanks, sir. Luckily, as usual, we left all the strippers and cocaine at home. We ain't sharing. Well, y'all, we have officially made it to the Trucks Gone Wild Truck Tugs at the barn in Sanford, Florida, January 2023. And there is a freaking shitload of trucks here. Way more than the last couple times we've been to the event that happens this time of the year. Usually this one's a little slower, but it's going to be an awesome night. Ton of freaking trucks, as y'all can see. Look at them all back there. And they're also going to hand out the Trucks Gone Wild Awards where they give away those fight belt things. It is going to be one hell of a night. And the Mad Scientist got his little rivalry going on with Mr. JH. Where's that truck at? Ron Burgundy is the name of his truck. I think it's down there then. Great name for the truck, JH. Good job. Freaking awesome. But anyways, so there's so many trucks here. I think I'm going to go ahead and start doing my walk around real quick, looking at all the trucks. We'll do that now before they do the driver's meeting. And then we'll get over there and start watching the freaking Tug-O-War, bro. So let me hop down and we'll go start looking at them. All right, so first up, obviously got the Mad Scientist. Y'all are very well aware of his rig. If you watch my channel at all, then you've seen tons of it. We got that badass roofing truck. This Superior Roofing, I think, or Super Roofing. Stanley's Roofing. Nah, I was way off. I knew it had to start with an S. Bitchin' Duramax right here. Pretty cool, pretty cool. We got a big old Ford. Like the burnt orange look for his accent, kind of cool. 23 126s, I bet. Yes, sir. Man, I'm starting to know this stuff. I just look and I'm starting to know. Them are looking like 28Ls right there. Oh boy. Got Bush Latte in the house. That's cool how he sheet metaled that thing all up, isn't it? What else we got? Got a big old Cummins turbo diesel. Pretty cool looking little subframe you got going on there. It's a plated subframe, kind of like the Mad Scientist. I mean, it looks a little different than his, but Send Nudes. I wonder if that'd be a great name for this truck. Got Mikey's Custom Coatings new freaking rig. Well, not new rig, but like newly dialed in rig. JH's Ron Burgundy truck. Oh, so this is what we're going to be dragging backwards. Not, oh, look, nice. Nice addition there, JH. Having your freaking window, bro. So, what else we got? Got the American Dream mega truck at the Bobby Brown Heavy Metal Fab Shop. Thing is freaking gorgeous. Absolutely pristine. Look at that. No expense freaking spared on that rig. God, thing is so nasty. So there's so many trucks I can't linger too much on any one, but if you want to know more about this truck, you should check out my last truck Tug-O-War video, truck Tug-O-War video, and I kind of go through this a little more detailed, and at Iron Horse when we saw it at Iron Horse. Oh look, that's Kenny Wing Jr. bringing a freaking buttload of weight. Looks like he wants to do some tugging. Got some OBS, got a whiskey bin. Damn, look at this with the highlighter in the gray. That's kind of cool. That's a bitchin' looking truck. Damn. You got a little sparkle in this freaking powder. That's bitchin'. I like it. We got the Ninja Turtles. High expectations. God, so the only downside there being tons of trucks like there is this time is you only get to go a couple times because you try to get everybody in. But it's freaking really cool seeing all the different rigs. Check out this OBS Chevy. That thing is super tight. Very clean. It was like airbrush. Looks like the stuff you get at the fair on your hat. Oh, Bronco. Is it? What's this one called? What is this? Wasting Money. I thought there was one called Hell Yeah. It looked kind of like that too. It's pretty bitchin' out. That thing got full of water. Got a little Woody. No pun intended. What else? Damn. Oh look, we got a big old swamper buggy fresh off the freaking farm. That's kind of funny. Got the American Pride mega truck. Jose Avila's freaking Tug-O-War machine. This thing kicks serious ass. When the Mad Scientist first got his Adrenaline mega truck, the first couple times he went against Mr. Jose with this truck, Jose actually beat him. But then something's been happening with the Mad Scientist truck. I don't know if it's because his tires are wearing a little bit. Maybe they're starting to get a little more traction, like because it's starting to wear down in the middle. So he's getting more contact with the pavement. But his truck is pulling like a son of a bitch. And now I think he pulls him every time. We got Slow Motion Logan. Let's go check this out. Hold on. Smells like fresh paint. What?
They want these ponchos, motherfucker.
Can I have one? Sorry about that, y'all. Freaking Slow Motion Logan's old lady hooked me up with a nice poncho. Now I'm all nice and waterproof. So, anyways, got this new truck out of the Wild One Customs. Yeah, Wild One Customs shop. This is the Florida Consulting and Development truck. Very pretty build. I like the black and white. It's like simple, but not. It's like, I don't know how to describe it. It's like simple. There's a lot going on though, but it looks nice and clean and simple, like not like a lot of nonsense. Pretty freaking cool, dude. Little face plates on it and stuff. Pretty sick. Then we got AJ's Behemoth with his big old fat girl tires. This freaking guy. All right, we'll be honest for half a second. Don't tell him I said it, but his truck's pretty cool. Wouldn't be the worst idea if he took a little better care of it, but this is his freaking play toy. Thing's sick. He's got a ridiculous sound system in this thing too. Plus it's gigantically massive, so it pulls everybody most of the time. And I ain't seen this truck before. Teal and gray though. Looks kind of cool. Property management. CEE property management. Quite the rig though. Pretty banging. Pretty banging. Oh wow. And we got some weight. We got a cat. Freaking dozer. Saw Enterprises. With a big wolfkin winch on this thing too. Then we got, man, that sounded good, whatever that is. We're gonna look at that here in a second, whatever that is. And our boy No Limit Diesel, Josh Gilly. A couple smaller trucks, nice little old body style Chevy. Pretty bitchin' hood stack. It's like Joker colors, green and purple. We got a single cab. Something sounds very throaty over there. Old Ford. Got this head truck. That's a little bit throaty. Yeah. Whatever, do what you own. Big old Ford. With a freshly added, I wonder if he added that for this event. So you might have just got this thing done. Nice big old wasted wages swamp buggy. That's kind of bitching. What's up, buddy? What else? Check this thing out. This is kind of clean. Damn, 19.524s, huh? Pretty bitching. This yours?
No, my boss is.
Well, you got a good boss.
Yeah.
That you bring here and just run the shit out of it?
Oh yeah.
You got anything done to the motor?
I don't really know, man.
Do you know what motor?
For 4 years, so we just got her put together for this show.
Nice. What'd you just do? You said you just got it put together. What'd you do?
We had a buddy build a chassis, and then we just did all finishing stuff.
Oh, so the truck was sitting and you just turned it into a mega truck like recently?
Yeah, it used to be one of our tow trucks, one of our like hauling trucks for goosenecks.
Oh man, that's cool. So how long ago did you finish it?
This morning.
This morning. Nice, great answer.
Hopefully to break it while we're
That a boy. Last Minute Motorsports. You got any Instagram or social media pages or anything like that?
Big Nasty 96.
Big Nasty 96. Okay. Well, they're gonna follow you, bro. Beautiful looking truck. Pretty neat. Got a little Blazer, Samurai, a little Cummins turbo diesel over here. Another big old Ford. God, there is trucks coming out of trucks. Holding on. Well, they make a lot of stuff, so that's not the name of this truck. Another swamper buggy. Look at this towing rig. It's got quite the freaking hitch on this thing. Cool. Oh, I thought that was solid. No, it's got stuff. I was like, Jesus, that thing weighs a ton. Quite the hitch, though. Pretty bitchin'. What else is there? We got the Cody Genwright's truck over here. Big old Cummins turbo diesel. Oh, God, careful. It's the redneck edition. Interesting, bro. Pretty cool tow truck. I do like that front bumper. That thing's kind of bitchin'. Seen those on Instagram. Pretty sick, bro. And we got Carlos's buddy's roofing mega truck. He's the Tugger of the year. He's gonna get his belt tonight. That's super rich. He's part of our group, part of Zacho's mega truck family. Always comes and hangs out with us at the different events. It's a relatively new truck. You know, he pulled this thing. This is kind of a cool little fun fact. So this damn thing, he literally bought it, pulled it off the lot, took it to the mega truck shop, the Wild One Customs, and had them turn it into a mega truck. It had no miles on it. Like, you wanna know how many miles? That many miles. 0. Freaking goose egg. None. Now I think it's got like 1,300 miles on it that it's got on it from being a mega truck. It looks like we got some 30 people pulling up. Let's check these out. Oh, that's Brian Cardenas' new race truck. This thing's pretty cool. Hell yeah. That thing's sick. It's a brand new build. Can you tell me a little bit about your truck? Yeah? So what motor you got in that thing?
So it's a 66 Chevy. It's got a big block Chevy, 568.
Okay.
And a nitrous motor. Full tube chassis, fiberglass body.
Oh, yeah. You build the whole thing yourself?
Yeah.
Yeah?
I had Dennis help me build the chassis and everything else I did myself.
Hell yeah, dude. That thing's nasty. Are you going to start racing?
Yeah.
Yeah?
I want to run in the bog series just for fun.
Hell yeah. How many horsepower you think you're running?
1,000 naturally aspirated.
Holy cow. Holy moly. How much nitrous can you spray at it?
I don't need much, so I'll probably run like a 300 shot. That way, just longevity.
Jesus. Well, good luck to you tonight, man. You going to blow the tires off this thing? Yeah?
Oh, yeah.
It's freaking go time. Are you still doing the next gen fabrications thing?
What?
You still doing next gen fabrications? Yeah. And that's how they follow you on Instagram and everything?
Yeah.
All right. So if you guys want to check out the truck, next gen fabrications on Instagram. Good luck, brother. Oh. Look at that Grass Bunny. Freaking Nick's over here. He's one of the Dirty Seven from the Dirty Motor Truckers. Sounds like the driver's meeting is about to start, so let's cruise on over that way if we can finagle our way through all these super badass truck tugging machines.
A couple of y'all that are new here tonight. So who hasn't pulled here before?
Raise your hand.
All
Raise your
right.
hand.
But you've seen it here, right? Okay. Let's if you know those guys, maybe have them.
That's not AJ.
That's AJ.
Not me. Not my truck.
Yeah, right.
that's
Yeah, right. All right, y'all. Now that the freaking driver's meeting's over, it's time for some Tug-O-War. Alright, y'all, they're loading up. We got the last Money Nick going against our boy Mike Cardiac. It's a 1,000 horsepower race. Spins them really good. It's kind of quiet, but that thing gets them going. Just need to work on that exhaust of yours. You've been killing it, bro. All right, up next, I think we got the new badass looking Duramax that was gray with the highlighter accents. That should be kind of cool. Here we go. Ooh, shifted a little too soon, bud. Come on, get back in it. nice. We got like a tow truck looking deal, that flatbed with a big old hill, the one with the big old heads. Remember? It's right here.
You have to wait till later to do that one. And you
Looks like he's gonna be going against this badass white holy head. Looks like he got a little bit warm. Still runs. Not bad.
You guys watch. Well, don't get run. It would be a terrible thing to get run over by this before you do that.
He's got a monkey.
Look at that. Chucky needs a bucket. They got the bucket on tonight.
What a beautiful rig that thing is, ain't it? There we go. Domin's gonna get him. Ooh. No way! Got him! He's freaking got him! So he starts moving.
On standby next to him. Uh-oh. Oh, look at that.
There we go, last round. Well, that was pretty bitch. Looks like now Chaos is going to stay on the shoot. He's going to go against Low-Key AJ now. All right, here comes AJ. I would bet anything he's going to have that sound system freaking cranked when he pulls up. Anybody want to bet me? I call that one. Here we go. Fight. Next up, we got a boy Little Blue. Ooh, he's got some bigger tires on it now. It's kind of got a bitch looking. I like that style much more. That's pretty sick. badass. I ain't gonna lie. He just let her retro. She was dead. That's pretty killing. I ain't gonna lie. That's pretty freaking killing.
And we got a lot of trucks tonight. And like I said, if you just rolled in, if you've been here before.
All right, now we got a Ford going against an old body style Ford. That's that one with a burnt orange and black. It's kind of cool. Kind of Harley Davidson looking.
Keep on coming.
And we got Stanley's roofing truck, old body style. There we go. We can just do this, just block off a parking lot, and a bunch of us that have trucks, and we just made up.
You got more stuff going out for the fans.
Pulling at each other.
It's raining.
America's amazing, isn't it? God, that we get to do. All right, next up we got that dually that kid said they made it for like a tow vehicle. They made it from a tow vehicle. It's Mikey from Mikey's Customs. Go, Joel. This is gonna be a good man. Come on, Mikey. Oh, he's got him. Mikey's playing. Next we've got a big old Duramax going against a big old Killin. All right, here we go. And Duramax, they come and pretty got some power. I tell you what, oh, brother. Seriously, how can you all hear that and ever want anything other than a freaking Duramax? That thing sounds amazing. Uh-oh, got Jake's new rig. Oh, brother. That don't sound like a diesel. That doesn't sound like a diesel. guys, we got slow motion Alan going against Josh Gilly, the No Limit Diesel. Here we go, round one. Oh wow, I didn't think that was gonna happen. I don't know. What the hell was that? Oh shit, you did. Well, that sucks. So that little jack shaft that gives power to the top of the transfer case, goes down through gears, and gives power to both the axles. No, he can't. That jack shaft's broken.
This is Bobby Brown, ladies and gentlemen, Heavy Metal Fabrication. A dear friend of ours, you are the newest member of the Trucks Gone Wild Hall of Fame, Mr. Bobby Brown.
Hell
And
yeah.
I got a badass black for you right there, ladies and gentlemen. How about that?
Dude, that's
My man has earned it. You see those badass trucks that are here tonight. You see the Haas truck. You see the American Dream. This is the dude that built them.
How freaking
And
cool
now
is
we
that?
got
That's
one
badass.
more here
Bobby
tonight
does
as
put
well.
out a bunch of work. He's
Heavy
not the reason why a lot of us
Metal
exist.
Bobby Brown.
He helped us until we're figuring our stuff out. Really cool to recognize him like that. Congratulations, brother. Right up next, we got Whiskey Ben, and he's going against the
Whiskey
mad
Ben,
freaking
the name of the truck.
scientist.
Taking on the mad
Prochargers
scientist.
LS. Over.
Behind one of the trucks rolling out of the Killin fleet.
much does it
steer in
weigh?
the back of the military truck, which is totally fine with me. I have
44,000?
no problem.
Holy cow.
They did send a picture of the mule, and it looked like that's what they were bringing, and that's a little bigger.
Holy cow.
And Rupp's Realty, all right?
Yeah, I don't think he's gonna pull him. Hopefully this boy's ready to do a burnout. Light him up, you're never gonna move that thing. These are not our style of tugs. These are the ones that resemble Total Savage Sex. That's not the kind of stuff they put on the Killin channel, so moving on. Dude, so I was just getting ready to go get a drink, and apparently they're doing a freaking music video. That was kind of interesting, but kind of neat, too. Trucks Gone Wild, I think is probably the name of the song. So you got the new Ford from Rodman Customs going against Buddy's Root.
Damn right, dude.
Tugger of the year.
Tonight.
Oh, brother. Damn. Is that his case making all that noise? concluded the first round, so now we're hopping on the Mad Scientist super bitchin' machine. And we're gonna go do our tug against Mr. JH and drag him backwards and win our 10 pickleback shots. If you all didn't see the last video, mention it all there. You ready, family? All right, it's about party time, everyone. We're gonna drag JH's ass backwards in the f***ing parking lot, bro. I'm telling you. How you feeling, Brian? Good. Great. Freaking light it up. Oh, we gotta drag him? Oh yeah, we are. Come on, bro. We gotta win the picklebacks. Freaking go time, bro. Freaking badass. We just won ourselves 10 pickleback shots. Thanks, Stage Productions.
We got this badass Trucks Gone Wild Heavyweight Championship belt. It says broken. You are the 2021 broken winner, Mr. Paul Wolf, ladies and gentlemen.
Yeah, bro.
2022 Trucks Gone Wild, Tugger of the Year. In the audience, bringing Trucks Mr. Carlos Fernandez. Ladies and gentlemen.
Let's watch another one of those. Oh, no. Looking good out here tonight. Listen, I got him sing. Okay, let him sing. Wow, that's pretty cool though. Turbo boost. So, we won our little freaking contest. Hey, okay. So how did it feel to get ripped backwards? Was it bad? I actually didn't get ripped backwards. You totally got ripped backwards. So now we got, look at our prizes, guys. Ready? Check this out. We got our 10 picklebacks, compliments of Jay's Productions.
So the reason I let you win was because I wanted to see you do 10 picklebacks. That was our deal.
I'm not doing 10 picklebacks. There's no way that's happening. But it's exciting. You excited?
I'm excited. I'm thrilled.
And that is the end of our truck tug video for the 2023 January truck tugs. Hope you all enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, y'all. If y'all enjoyed the video and want to check out future videos, subscribe to our channel. Hit that button right there. While you're at it, hit the like button at the bottom of your screen. You can also check out our website, killin'itlifestyle.com. There you can follow the Killin' It crew and order your own apparel so everyone will know you're killing it!